Line ko kasi yun eh. So, grabe, I really get choked up when I say that line.
Tara, let's watch tayo ng VLF.
21, hubad-hubad. Hi, ako po si Cristel Valentino at ang pangalan po ng aking character sa Dulang Buhaghag ay si Phoebe at ang aking favorite line ay tapos, ang sumunod, inuulit. Kinakaya kapag inuulit.
Hi guys, ako po si Elijah Canlas and I play the character of Rap in Jerome Canlas's Footprint. Favorite line ko yung siguro pagtapos na tayong magmahal because I think it encapsulates the themes perfectly and line ko kasi yun eh. So grabe, I really get choked up when I say that line.
Hey everybody, my name is Omar Udin. I play Ram in Jerome Canlas's Footprint. My favorite line from our show is life is a book, chapters, pages. I closed mine early, well, too early. I wanted to turn the page, continue, but it was dark. But hope, believe, I am at peace.
Hi, I'm Meryl Soriano and I play Liz sa aming dulang Footprint. Isang beses lang pala tumutupad ng hiling ang Diyos.
Hello, I'm Christian Bables. Yung mga government officials na magnanakaw at corrupt, mga nyo.
Hi, ito po si Mosang. Ako si Maya sa Takshapo. Porke bakla, mahina. Tara, let's manood tayo ng BLF 2026 Hubot Hubad!